Hello everyone, it's Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. So I am really excited because, as you can tell by the title of this video, it is an unboxing video. And I haven't really done a bag unboxing video in quite a while. You guys know last year I was kind of on a no buy, but now I am excited because I actually get to unbox a bag. And as you can tell by the title of this video, you already know what the item is. This bag is kind of on the spectrum on people's, either they like this bag or they hate it. So it's either one way or the other. Obviously, I like it since I purchased it. So without further ado, if you'd like to see what's in the bag, just keep watching. So here is the bag. It is obviously from Dior, and Dior has some of my favorite packaging. It's just classic, just white with beautiful gray letters. So I'm gonna just unbox while I talk to you guys. So as I said in a previous video, you guys know I wasn't purchasing things last year because I had to spend so much money on this house and other things. So look how gorgeous that is. Anyway, so I wasn't really spending money on luxury items, and let's see, I'm gonna put this down here for now. And I said that I wasn't gonna buy any luxury purchases really unless I sold something. So I was gonna use the funds to, you know, for the things that I sold toward things that I purchased. So I did sell like a piece of furniture. So yeah, I purchased this, and I still have a vlog sale coming up on some other luxury items that I'm going to sell, so look out for that video. Anyway, as far as this baby, look how beautiful this is wrapped. So it has the Dior ribbon on it, and on the back, and I love it. So let's get to untying this ribbon. It's like such a beautiful feeling. I love it. All right, so there you go. Which print do you guys think I got? Okay, let's see. So it comes nicely packaged in tissue paper. You can see the little Dior sticker right there. And let's see, I'm just gonna do it without taking off the little sticker. It has a dust bag here that says Dior, of course, in gray letters. And I don't know, for some reason I love the packaging of Dior. They always give like this accordion tissue paper. Let's see if I can show you. So I don't know if that's gonna show up, but anyway, it's like this accordion tissue paper, not just the balled up kind. I don't know why I love it so much, but it's just like folded like that. Anywho, so let's see which print I got. All right, there she is. I love this bag. I don't care what anyone says. I love it. I love it. I love it. I don't know. I've always wanted this bag, like in the 90s. Like when I don't know, when I watched, if you guys have been watching me for a while, you guys know I am a Sex in the City. That was like my favorite TV series or cable series, and I watched it from day one, even before it became famous, and everybody caught on to the bandwagon. But I just loved it. It reminded me kind of my life, and I always say that Carrie, the character Carrie, Sarah Jessica Parker's character, kind of reminds me of myself. So I don't know, she just does. But anyway, I love this bag, and so I don't even know where to go. Okay, so she was carrying one of these, and I don't know, it just brought it to my attention when she was carrying it, and I just liked it when it first came out, but I just never purchased it. So I don't know, a lot of people don't like this bag for the shape of it, and they say it can't fit enough, and they don't like that it's just like the handle is too short where you carry it like this. But personally, for me, I actually like that aspect of it. I actually have quite a few bags that I carry like this, like little pochette type bags, as you've seen on my channel. So it works for me. And ever since I started working where I work, you guys know I kind of work in the hood, and they were snatching people's bags, so I started not carrying a purse. So I've been able to get along with not carrying a lot of stuff. So anyway, just this little bags suit my lifestyle very well. All right, so let's just get into the bag. As you can see, one of my favorite things about this are the little charms. So it has a C and a D in gold hardware, same on the other side, and then it has this D right here that hangs off, and I love it. And then it has blue leather here, and it's kind of held down by this magnetic, magnetically like that. And then it has a back pocket. This is the oblique print. I don't think I mentioned that while I was talking, but that's it. And right now, let's see. So you lift it up like this. I'm going to take the tissue paper out of it. And if you saw my vlog, I purchased this at the Dior store on Rodeo Drive here in Beverly Hills. And it just has this fabric lining with a zippered pocket, just one zippered pocket right there. And then it has a blue tab with gold lettering that says Christian Dior on the little tab right here. And it says made in Italy. So it was made in Italy. And then inside of it, you have your care card, this little booklet, and let's see what else is in here. This paper, it's like a control card, and then it has like an authenticity card like Chanel does, and it has the, I don't know, like where you bought it and things like that. So I like to keep that in the bag so I don't lose it. Just gonna keep it all together. But I absolutely love this bag. I don't care what anyone says. I love it, I love it, I love it. And actually, I actually want a black one too. Just the all black one in the pebbled leather, because they do have it in smooth leather, but I feel the pebbled leather won't scratch as much. So maybe I can find a vintage one. They are so expensive, even the vintage ones now, since this bag became popular. And a lot of people think it's just a trendy item, but like I said, I have always loved this bag. So for me, it's not a trendy bag. Forgot. I also purchased this. Let me show you how it came before I open it. And this is a, I just love this little thing. So it has, I like the way it's packaged. And it is the oblique mitzvah. And there it is. It has Christian Dior It's upside down, sorry. Dior, Christian Dior on this side, like that. And then it has the oblique print. It's like the bag here, so maybe I will just tie it in a bow, or I could tie it around the handle here. And this is navy blue. Sometimes it looks black on camera, but it is navy blue. The mitzvah and the print on the bag. So I could do it like that. Or maybe right now I will just tie it in a bow for the sake of this video. I don't know. But I love it. I do. So anywho, of course I'll fix that a little bit better later. But that's my bag for now. I absolutely love it. This is the medium size. They do make a smaller one, and you can't really fit anything in that one, but for me this size is perfect. Yes, I can fit my cell phone and another, you know, a lot of other items, which I guess I'll come back and show you what you can fit in here in a later video. Let me show you something else I got for this bag, and it is right here in this box, and I will show you why in a minute. So let's just open this. So I ended up just at home here. Oh, they sent me a nice little card with my name on it from where I purchased it from. And I was just like looking online and this item popped up. So yeah, I purchased this from a company called Ann's Fabulous Finds. They are a luxury reseller, and I will put their information below if you haven't heard from them. So they're similar to like Fashion File, Yugi's Closet, things like that. I have purchased from them before, so I don't know, this just popped up and I had to pick it up, and I will tell you why in a minute. So, can you guess what it is? It is something else from Dior. Let's open this drawstring dust bag. So, this is what it is. It still has the tag on it, well, tag with it rather. And this is, well, let me just show you what it is first. It is the strap that goes on here. So this is the oblique strap, and on one side it says Christian Dior. And then this one has like the metallic little discs on it that matches the print of the bag. So it also has gold hardware, and I like that these twist. So, you know, they don't get all tangled up or twisted up, and the leather is also blue, so it matches the print of the bag perfectly. And then you can see it up close. Some of them have like a little red detail, and then others are just silver, you know, in different sizes. And, you know, it's really well made because you can see where the hardware goes through all the way to the other side. So they shouldn't come off. So I wanted a strap, but these babies are so expensive. It's absolutely ridiculous how much just this strap costs, because you have to buy the strap separately. It doesn't come with the bag. And what you do is you connect, I'm gonna connect this D to this D over here, and there you have your strap. So if you want to wear it crossbody, you can do that. Or if you want to wear it as a shoulder bag, you can do that. Maybe I'll do a separate video on that. So this video won't be too long, but I love it. Anyway, the original price of this strap by itself, I had the ticket or the thing, is this much. You can see that it is $1,500 just by itself. That's crazy in my opinion. Yeah, so $1,500 just for this strap right here in the store if you buy it brand new. But I happened to be browsing and this popped up and I had to grab it. So this one on their website was $1,000, which is still too much just for a strap in my opinion, but they also had a 10% off sale that weekend, and then I also saved on the taxes. So in the state, the tax is basically about 10%. So I basically saved, I think, like $650 off of $1,500. So I don't know, still too much, but it's better than paying the full retail price. So anyway, I'm happy. I love it. And that's it. So I don't know. I know a lot of people don't like this bag, but I love it. And guess what else? I happen to have scored a vintage one before I went and got this. Believe it or not, I know I'm crazy. So I don't know which one. Well, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Maybe I'll do a video comparing the two different ones. The vintage one and the newer one. So what do you guys think? But anyway, that's it. I purchased this from a friend on a Facebook group. So yeah, got my hands on this. So we're gonna see what I do. I obviously don't need two of them, but we'll see. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like videos like this, please subscribe. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Have a great week. Bye.